previously. So I'm done with indenting. So what does it mean? It means that when I close this substructure, it hides every activity under it. So that means if you do your indenting and you close substructure and there are some activities that are still left out, then that means something is wrong. And when you expand, it shows everything that is under it. Same thing with oversized concrete. It must hide everything under it. So that means when you close your substructures, it must hide everything under substructures. It must hide everything. And you can only hide everything when your main task um, aligns to the same. When they align, then also your subtasks when they align. Then your superstructures and your substructures must align. They must be on the same line. And that is why when you close this proposed civil project, it's supposed to hide everything. So that means something is actually wrong because both your substructures and your superstructures are under your project. So since it has failed to hide this superstructure, that means something is actually wrong with my indenting. And why is something wrong? Is because my superstructures and the name of my project they are aligned, which it shouldn't be. Superstructure should align with substructure. It should move forward once more. So this is where my substructure is. When I scroll down, you can see that superstructure still has to go in once more. So when you indent once more, with this way, you will see now that they both align. So when you close your entire project, it closes everything. Everything crashes. Then when you expand, it shows. So without indenting now, you can see that it has updated all these days. So it's telling us that your substructures should be completed in 16 days. And when you add this 3 plus 10, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 2, 16. So it gives you this. So same with the other task, main task. So it's telling us that your substructures will be completed in 15 days. Your superstructures will be completed in 16 days. Then your entire project will be completed in 31 days. Do we get? And it has automatically updated these days itself. So you can see now that your Gantt chart now makes sense. It now looks very, very nice. Yeah, this is now your Gantt chart. So that is what. So you just have to be extra careful when indenting because the indenting actually makes the difference between a good program of work and a very, very poor program of work. I think we are done with this. Yeah.